Hello everyone, welcome to Edist Hiring Alert segments. Today we got a great news for all the 2022 pass outs. It was Microsoft Software Engineer internship opportunities for all those undergraduates who are currently going to pass out in the year of 2022. And quickly we are going to discuss 3 points. One is we are going to check about the company, and the second is we are going to check out the eligibility criteria, and the third is we are going to check out the preparation tips from our end and all the preparation material that you needed to crack this job for sure. So let's not waste our time and dive into the video. And before that, I have something to share with you. Please do visit edis.com/jobs. We keep on updating a lots of jobs there. And if you find a job to your qualification, please do apply. And also, please do share those jobs for all your friends or for all your community in the people in the community that who are needed the jobs. And also, do you like our hiring alert segments? Do watch the playlist of Edist. We keep on updating a lot of hiring alert videos like this, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also share our videos. So uh, and the good news is here for you guys, and use this opportunity very wisely. So Microsoft is came back with hiring alert for you as for the role of software engineer interns. So you can check out the QR code here, and pause this video for a while and scan the QR code. That will take you directly to the registration page, and you can also check out the registration link down in the description. And now let's check into the eligibility criteria and other details. So this internship opportunity is for those who are computer science related or quantitative field, of those who are pursuing currently in 2022 for those like BTech, MTech or MS degree, and you must have a CGPA of 7.5. And most important thing is that you must have a strong coding skills, and also be clear and confident with your fundamentals, and you must be geek at least one of the programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, C or C++. And quickly, let's discuss about the hiring pattern, how it would be. This was an expected hiring pattern but not the exact pattern, because Microsoft keep on changing the hiring pattern. The hiring pattern something would be like the first usually Microsoft keep 4 to 5 rounds. The first round will be a written test, as all of us know. For the written test, you must be very much good at C, C++, DBMS, Java, and Python programming. The questions would be really tough, and you have very less time, and the questions are too lengthy. You must balance proportionately both your accuracy and speed to be top in the race. And also, coming to the second part of this second part, there may be a coding challenge. In the coding test, you may face 2 to 3 questions, and the questions may be like around you must be very good at algorithms and data structures, and the questions may be coming from linked list, data structures, backtracking, trees, and also arrays, string manipulation, arrays manipulation. You must be very good those questions. And don't worry, if you are puzzling about where to prepare from all this, do check out Edist daily coding challenges. These daily coding challenges are specially prepared by our top mentors and top qualified teachers, so that these are the repeated questions for all the product based or the top MNCs. So these questions will really help you in your preparation. And also, let's see about what let's see a bit about the company. I hope every one of you know about this Microsoft, because it is a unique company and not just within the tech industry, and it was also an ideal place for all the people who have a passion to work and also make an impact in their careers. So its headquarters is located in Redmond in Washington, and it was founded in the year of 1975. And Microsoft has a revenue of more than $10 billion. And it has its famous products like Visual Studio, Xbox 360, Microsoft Office, Windows, OneDrive, OneNote, Skype, and also Microsoft Teams. So let me take you to the portal once. So this is our Edist portal. So you can check out the job here, and you can also check out some other jobs also here. Please check out the other jobs. If you have an eligibility, please apply for these jobs, and also do share these jobs to your friend list in your friend circle. And here you can see a detailed job description and what are the detailed things that you need to know, and what are the skills that are needed to crack this job. And here please do visit the suggested course. these courses are beneficial because these include the courses which would be very much helpful to clear these internship opportunities. See, like here you can see it is having Java programming intro to advanced course and Python programming intro to advanced course, and most importantly the algorithms and data structures bootcamp. You can sign in and register and enroll to this course. And also let me check into the registration page. So this is the registration page where you can apply here. So the job was posted on July 7th, so please apply as soon as possible and don't rush in the last minute. So you can check out the roles and responsibilities of an intern. So they are mainly looking for three things: planning, design, and implementation. Those would be you need to understand the customer. Those are all the criterias of the company. And you must also be very much good at your resume, and you should have a good communication skills. And also you must include uh, some qualified projects in your resume, so that you will definitely crack the interviews also. Let me go back to the slides once. So this so this is where you can prepare. So please do check out these courses, and if you want to if you want the link for the courses, you can always check in the description. And also, as you can see down below, if you have any queries, you can always reach us. You can always reach us through WhatsApp, or you can contact on the given number, and also reach through an email. And if you have any queries, you can drop in the comment section. We'll try to answer as much as possible. So thanks for joining with me. These are all the updates for you till now. So keep on tuning to edis.com. You will keep on updating more and more jobs, and also keep press the bell icon. You will get the notification as and when you have released a new video on the hiring alerts. So all the best. Keep up your preparation and hustle hard, guys. Thank you.